Hello, flute players. Let's work on line 11 together, reading the notes. So to play this song, we need to know the first 5 notes, which are B flat, C, D, E flat, and F. So make sure you're getting a good sound on each of those first 5 notes. You can play them consistently, and you know the fingering for them. If not, you need to go back and review that first before playing the song. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play line 11 just to give you an idea what it sounds like, and then we'll break it down by rhythm and the notes, and then we'll play it together. Okay, so here's what line 11 sounds like. Okay, so let's see what we just did. First, let's look at the rhythm, the counting, okay? We have quarter notes at the beginning. Quarter notes, of course, the black circles with the stem, and they get one beat of sound. And we say it when we counted it with the word ta. So we're going to go ta, 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 ta. And then we have quarter rest. They're one beat of silence. Rest, rest, rest. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, rest, rest. Repeat sign. We go back and do the song again. Would you count line 11 with me out loud? Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Oops, I'm so sorry. I didn't start on the first note of the song. Let me click on the very first note. Here we go. On the word ta, let's count. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, rest, rest. 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 All right, I hope that makes sense. And we say ta because that's kind of what our tongue is doing inside our mouth when we're playing the flute. We're going making that T or that tu sound with our tongue, okay? All right, now the next step is we got to know which notes are which. And line 11 is a little challenging because they take the letter names away on this one. And now you have to know which note is which just purely based on what line it's on, okay? So let's look at this closely. And we have a note on the third black line up, and we need to memorize that. That is called a B flat, okay? If you don't remember what it is, you can always click on it, go down here, and it says B flat. There's your fingering. Thumb and first finger in the left hand, first finger and pinky in the right, okay? We have 4 B flats, and then, look here, this one's a little bit higher, isn't it? See the difference between those two? This is on the third white space up. That's a C, okay? First finger in the left hand, pinky in the right. Then we have a note way up here in the top black line. What is that? If you said F, you are correct. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, and pinky, okay? So we have 2 Fs in a row. Then we switch here. What is that note? If you said E flat, you are correct. Thumb, 2, 3 in the left hand, and make sure you're using your middle finger and your ring finger. Don't use your first finger, okay? You got to use your middle finger and your ring finger to push those keys down. And then the right hand, 1, 2, 3, and pinky, okay? And then the last note of the song, see this one's a little bit, we have 2 E flats, and then we have, what is that? That is a D. Thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, no pinky. See, it's just like an E flat, just without the pinky, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and say the song together, move our fingers, but I'm going to slow it down. So I'm going to go up here in the top left corner where it says 70, and let's practice it slower. So let's take it down maybe to 55, okay? And I'm going to click on the beginning, and let's grab our flutes, and we're going to just hold up the flutes, push the keys, and say the letters together and move our fingers, okay? Here we go. Ready? Say the letters. Go. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, rest, 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 F, F, E flat, D, rest, rest. Do it again. B, oop, and I should have done it again. Let's try it one more time. Let's say it out loud. Push the keys. And if you can handle it at that speed, let's go a little faster. Let's go up to 60. Let's try that. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, rest, 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 F, F, E flat, E flat, D, rest, rest, do it again, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, rest, 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 F, F, E flat, E flat, D, rest, rest, rest. Now, if you can't do that, don't go to the next step yet, because you have to be able to move your fingers in time to play this song. So if you need to pause the video and just go over those notes, go over them over and over until you feel really comfortable doing that. Moving your fingers from the B flat to the C and the F to the E flat to the D. You got to move them nice and quick, okay? Move them in time. So go ahead and pause if you need to. All right, now if you have your fingers under control on this video, then let's go ahead and actually try to play it. Okay, remember to keep the air blowing as you play. Let's try it. Here we go. Would you play it with me? Big breath of air. Again. Okay, if you can handle it at that speed, then let's try it faster. If not, practice it at whatever speed works for you. And you can go slower if you want to. You could take it down to 50 or 40 if you need to. The key is to get it right. It doesn't matter how fast you go, get it right. Okay, it does you no good to practice fast and messy. So once you've mastered it at a slow speed, then pick it up. So if you've mastered it there, I'm going to try it faster with you, and we're going to kick it up to 70 if you're ready for it. Okay, and this is the performance speed. Okay, all right, so grab your flute and good luck. Here we go. Okay, all right, flutes, I hope that helps you. Good luck on line 11. It's going to take some practice, but it's well worth it. Okay, all right, see you next time.